Hello everyone. In the previous video, I had an overview of the interface and general application of the SmartBooks software. Today, I will introduce detail one module that we very often have to use, that is account payable. In this account payable, we have just one list. This is a list of vendors. In the list, the first information that we must declare is the vendor ID and vendor name. We had three types of information related to vendors. The first type is the information including a representative, address, phone, tax number, tax code, email. We had to declare fully in this session. Next is a declaration of default information. This will assist us in entering data faster. The information when inputting data will be automatically retrieved by the software. For example, the information you can see in the screen about payment term, tax rate, currency USD, and exchange rate, payable account, and advance account. There is also another information tab related to supplier account information, account number, bank name, address, phone number, tax number. After entering information, click Save. After After we have prepared the list of vendors, we will move to Input section, Input Invoice. Similar to other data entry section in the SmartBook accounting software, invoice entry is also divided into two parts. The general information, including number of voucher, the date of voucher, and description, and the remaining is detailed data entry. Voucher number is automatically generated by the software, so we don't need to input. This number is reference number in the software. We just press F3 to look up the previously entered invoice. And with an imported invoice, we can copy. The software will get all information of that invoice, only change the date of the voucher, the number of the voucher. The number of voucher will automatically generated by the software. For example, the current number you see in the screen mean that the voucher number 2 of November 2021 and the voucher type is AP payable. From the current screen, when we want to create a new voucher, we press New in the right corner of the screen. The data we need to fill is the date of voucher, number of voucher. In the vendor box, we create F3 to look up the supply code from the list of vendor that we have declared before. For example, we choose the code NCO1 that we just declared in the bank account box. We also press F3 to look up. For example, we buy service, we choose account, currency, exchange rate, domestic, amount, Yeah, we are choosing account, currency, exchange rate. Domestic amount will be equal to the cash value multiplied by the exchange rate. And next is tax rate. We also press F3 to select. For example, we choose a tax rate of 10%. We enter invoice number, serial of invoice number. This part is optional. Invoice date. After entering the data, we press save, and the software pops up a notification that the invoice has been successfully saved. The software will default the status of the ticket hold, the draft state to save to the book, and we choose release method and press save. The release status means the voucher has been successfully posted. For the voucher that is already in the release status, we can edit or put any information. And to change the status of the voucher from release to hold, we can click the button Unrelease. The software notifies that the adjustment has been successfully, and now we can fix the voucher. Next is the processing step. That in this part we have processing multiple documents. It means that we do not release voucher one by one in the input screen, but we'll release many tickets at once. So here we go. Instead of manual motivation, we can choose two options. Select all voucher at the state of draft hold accounting month. For example, January 2021. After entering your data entry, you can conduct a lookup in this inquiry section. Viewing voucher information, it will show all the voucher that we had to enter it. For example, from January 1st, 2021 to December 31, 2021, we have two ways to save. One is the summary, and that means summary information of each vote. And one is that we will detail, that means the detailed information of each vote. In AP module, after the inquiry section, we can see reports. The reports are classified as payment detail report, payment summary report, statement of VAT, input, and others. Here is an example of payment daily report. We will enter the time, select currency, account. In this module, the reports are divided into two types. View all vendors, or click here to view details by each vendor. Then each different type report, there will be different input method and filter conditions.